If you're looking for the ultimate safety upgrade for your car, the Driintel 1080p 360 degrees panorama system is your perfect companion. This advanced system gives you a true 720-degree view using 6 high-definition cameras, including 4 panoramic and 2 blind spot cameras, eliminating all blind spots while driving, turning, or parking. Whether you're in a sedan, SUV, minivan, or pickup, this device gives you unmatched visibility and peace of mind. Powered by a Huawei HiSilicon chip, it delivers smooth image processing and real-time AI pedestrian and vehicle detection. The AI system alerts you when obstacles are close, helping avoid accidents and ensuring a safer drive. Thanks to the TVI video signal and Sony night vision sensors, you get crystal-clear 1080p footage, even in tunnels or at night. No more guessing in the dark. The CMS electronic rearview mirrors replace your traditional mirrors with wide-angle digital views, enhancing lane change and reverse safety. Add to that 6-channel recording, G-sensor impact lock, and 24/7 parking monitoring, and you've got a complete driving recorder solution. Voice control and a simple knob interface make operation intuitive, even while driving. Just say the word or turn the dial. Install the Driintel 360 degrees panorama system, and drive with total awareness, confidence, and control every time you hit the road.